Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah. If you are new here, hello, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. If you are a returning subscriber, my G, thank you for coming back to watch my content. And today we'll be talking about how to edit your videos using the Inshot app. First off, the Inshot app is free to use, except if you want to use the paid app, but I've never used the paid version. I've never paid for Inshot per month. Everything I do on Inshot is free. And I will be sharing with you what I have learned in the process of using Inshot for the past 2 years. Everything I'm sharing is from my own experience. And at the end of this video, you would be able to learn how to edit like a pro. Now, I'll try to display 2 videos on the screen. One would be the results of my video before I use the Inshot app, and the other would be my results after I am done using my Inshot app. They're always 2 fantastic videos, far apart from each other. And without further ceremony and banana, can we please dive straight into action?
Hello guys, so the first thing you have to do is to go to Play Store and download the Inshot app. It is available for both Android and iPhone. So you put Inshot. This is it. I have the app already on my phone. That is why we can see open. So this is how the logo of the Inshot app looks like, so that you do not download the wrong app. Okay, so let us go straight into it. I'll be clicking on video, then new. I'll click on the new, the plus sign, right? Then I have a lot of videos because I shoot on Thursdays. I've recorded a lot of videos. That is why you can see different videos, right? So let's use this video of 3 minutes 8 seconds. You can actually preview it. All you have to do is to press down, a long press. So if I do a long press, it's going to bring the video. I can preview it. If this is not what I want, I'll back it. Look at me. Okay, I'll back it. I can preview another one, but let's just click on it because that is the one we want to use to edit. Okay, now let's go to Canva. This is in 1:1 because the last video I did was a video for my business post that I used Instagram. So for Instagram, I used this 1:1. Okay, if it was Instagram, all I would have done was increase this thing and make it closer and add my Instagram handle, my website and all that. But no, we are doing it for YouTube. So YouTube size is 16:9. So I'll be clicking on 16:9, right? So this mark is something you use to save your setting. Say perhaps I increased it, I use this mark, I use the save to save it, or let me take it back to how it is and I save it. Now at the beginning of this video, because I have to set my camera, this is the drama I used to perform before starting my video, right? So I would cut it. So all these buttons, they have their usefulness and we would go into them one by one. So the first thing I do when I am editing, I try to listen from the beginning to the end, you see. So let me try and use my pen so that you understand what I am doing, right? So all you have to do is to use this thing at the end to adjust it. So you can increase, reduce. So when you click on your video, it brings it, you increase, you reduce. So I try to take it off. I do different kind of film before I record because it tends to give me more energy. At times I may be listening to music. When I see that my energy is on point, I start. Immediately I start, I do a short prayer for my viewers. I pray for them that they make use of the knowledge and it blesses them. Okay, so I cut it off because you do not need to know I am praying for you. At times I had it for behind the scene, but this is the part where I pray that you impact the knowledge and you receive the strength to do the right thing,
which is to implement everything that they have learned.
I repeated the prayer point there, so I have to cut one. Click on this, delete it, use the delete button, and
the works of their hands prosper.
Amen. Anyway, I see that I repeat 2 things. Cut, I spilled. Now if I see this is the end, I click on my video, I move this in so you don't see. Then when I stand up, I make sure I move it in so you do not see.
Before it's off, I try to be silenced a bit.
This is where I was talking about.
I try to be silenced a bit.
Be silenced a bit.
Hi guys.
Good. Spilled. So I'll make this place, if it's not useful, I'll delete it. Then I'll start from hi guys. Do you understand?
Hello guys.
Before you hear the hi guys, a lot of things has gone behind the scene that I do not show you. Okay, so that is how to use the spilled. Let's go to transition. So for transition, right, I'll click on this thing you can see. Okay, you can apply transition from anywhere you already spill. Okay, so when I click on this place, it brings me to basic. I have different transition. Because I am using the free version, I only have access to this top transition for free. If I want to come down, like use this super, use glitch and all that, it is paid. But I use all these basic one and it serves me. Okay, so this is the basic. If I use the basic, this is how my video will transition. So the basic is almost not noticeable. You may not actually know that I added a transition. These two, I use this too. So this is how you, when you click on this double mark, it saves for everywhere you already attached dispute and you cut your video, so it applies to all. Then when you click on the single save, it only saves the particular one you want to save. So when I click on this, it's asking me should I apply to all. Then I click on it again, apply to all. That means all of my videos would have this transition. However, I can choose apply to all, then come here, maybe I want this for this one, apply to this single one. That is that about transition. Okay, now let's move to the effect. I enjoyed this a lot. This is what gives my video a good and fantastic result. I come to filter, I click on filter, I click on adjust. Fantastic. After I click on adjust, I give my video lightness, I put it to 5. I come to warmth, I put it to 10. I come to saturation, I put it to 10. That saturation will bring out the light of your picture or your video. I come to highlight, I put it to 6. Can you see the difference? Now if I try to click on this place, it's going to show me the previous results of what I brought into this place and what I am going out with. So let's click. This is how my former video was. This is the particular reason why people ask, oh, do you use iPhone? Do you use iPhone? This is what makes the difference. And I click on apply to all. I apply to all of my videos. I so much love that effect, right? Create some magic again. Let's go to filter. When I come to filter, I come to effects. I love this. I use this a lot in my videos. Maybe I am surprised or I am happy or something. I just click on slow zoom. I can cut down the size. So this slow zoom will bring the camera close to my face. It's going to zoom. So I put it here and I increase it where I want it to be. Okay. It's like okay, because I can cut. It is always when I say something or I give a funny expression, then I want to zoom in. Okay, so you can still come to filter, then you come to effect. You can make your own jump zoom. You only use this when you want to make an expression. When you express something, maybe you are surprised, you are happy, then you jump zoom so your audience can see your expression. Okay, then let us move to volume. Yes, I enjoy this. My volume is always 100. So because I am not using a mic at the moment to record, so I come here and I increase my volume, I increase my audio to 200 and I apply to all. This is very, very powerful if you do not have a mic yet. Then let us move to how to add text. When I say welcome back to my channel, I can add it, right? Welcome back to my channel. I can move it, place it here, right? So you have to know that you can edit your text. Let me move it to the back. Let's use this.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel.
So I can move my text, I move it here. So when I say welcome back, I arrange the text and make sure it is where I'm saying guys, welcome. So you can also edit this text. You can come here, click on edit, come to the colors, click on the color, then you can change it to different colors you want it to be. Okay, you can also come down here. You can also come down here and play with different things that are here. You can click like this, click here, click here, click here, click here. If you want something like this, click here. It depends on how you want to write. Okay, now let's talk about how to add sound effects.
To my channel. My name is Deborah. If you are new here, hello. Welcome.
There's this place I used to clap. You saw I clap. So if I want to add something like I am clapping, I would come to music, then I'll come to effects. So when I come to effects, you can see applause, heartbeat, footstep, you can see game, transition, drinks, bell. So applause, then I click on applaud. So when I am clapping, that sound would also clap. Okay, so what I do is I try to reduce it to 35 or 40, so the noise would not overshadow my video. Can you see? So you can also play with different things at the effects. You can play with dramatic. Maybe you spoke about something and it's like, oh, I was embarrassed about this person's reaction. You can come here and use it. Wow. You can use wow. You can use start car. There are different things you can use, so you can take your time and explore any of them. Okay, so the next thing we'll be talking about is how to peep your video. That means this is a video. Let's assume I am talking about, I've done this on a lot of my videos. Maybe in your video you're talking about perhaps sunglasses and ads, and you said, oh, I went somewhere, I used sunglasses and ads. So let me use one of my picture. There is a picture that I use sunglasses and ads. So I would use this to describe what I am talking about. So when I peep, it can help me overlay a picture or a video while I am talking in my current video. So this is a video. Maybe I'm talking about art, so I can attach the picture. I can even try and zoom it out so that this picture will come and take charge of my screen. You would not even see me, but you can hear what I am saying while you only see the picture. Okay. Another thing you can also peep is you can peep a video. Maybe you are describing something and you need to carry your audience along. Like, okay, here I was speaking about the ring light. I can decide to peep this video. So while I am talking, now this is the ring light, the video would be playing. Okay. So that is that about how to peep your video. Now let's talk about speed. You have to know that, let's say you recorded a video and you feel you were talking too fast or too slow, just come to speed. You can increase the way you are talking. Like this. You see I was talking blah 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 blah. If I play it, and you see I can come and reduce it and I'll be talking slow. You see, so that is how speed works. Let's talk about music. Just come to music, track. You can also extract audio from your video. Decide to come to my video and extract sound. Okay. So the sound of this video will start. Also move the sound to anywhere I want it to be. I can come and reduce the volume of the sound. I can increase it, which is not advisable. It is advisable you reduce the volume of your music. Okay. For your text, now let me write something. Debbie, my name is Deborah, right? So for this Debbie, I can decide how the text to come into my screen, right? I'll click on this edit, then I'll click on this 3 dots, right? Then I edit it. So do I want it to be this or this or this, or come like this or come like this, like this? I try as much as possible to make sure that my text is sexy, you know, freaky. And these are the major things I use. Anyways, I do not tamper with other things. You can also crop. If you think it's too high or too low, you can crop your video or your picture. Okay, so guys, that's all about that. Then you have to come to save and make sure you save. The resolution I use is 1080. This is the resolution I use. Do not use a low resolution. So you can use 4K, you can use 720, you can use 1080p because of the space of my phone. If I use 4K, it consumes a lot of my space, right? So this is the resolution I use. This is the frame I use. I just click on save. My settings is already there, and it is going to show me my estimated size. Okay, then I'll just save it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you learned a lot. Yeah, bye bye.
Guys, I beg you in God's name, be kind enough to share my video on your WhatsApp status. If you watch this video and you got value, that's the best thing you can do for me. Share to other people and help us reach a wider audience. Just copy the link, share in your WhatsApp status. A job, please. Thank you so much in advance for doing that for your baby girl. Thanks guys for watching my video today. If you got value, click the subscribe button, subscribe and like. Join the family. I don't bite. My next video will be how to shoot clean and clear video using your phone. I have done part 1 and this is very loaded, but I realized I still missed out some points. some juicy points that I forgot to add for my people. So my next video would be about that. I would combine all the points, some other things you need to know to have a great video. Trust me, I give out only value. If it's not valuable, it is not antidote. Click the subscribe button so you would be the first person to see the video when it is out. And I am going to see you in my next video.